BGB at the time of this recording is attempting a bounce to the upside, and on today's video I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to pay attention to, give you my minimum breakout target areas, and also key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above, basing my analysis on the Deriv structures and the Fibonacci's. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a scenario that can play out the moment we see a break above our next key area of resistance above the 6.645, where if by any chance we manage to break above that key area of resistance, maybe with a retest, I will continue expecting higher prices to our next key area of resistance above the $7.2 in the next coming hours. We also need to have in mind that we can also get rejected over here, and if that plays out, then that will be the start of a significant pullback to the lower side in a move that can easily give us a reset of the lows we made on the 6th of January and also the lows that we made on the 31st of December. But for now, I'm expecting higher prices, and all I need to see is a break above the 6.645 with a retest before we can continue pushing higher in a move that should easily get us back above the $7.2 in the next coming days. Jumping to the daily chart to also discuss my long-term price prediction analysis, I've been saying to you that from the lows we made on the 7th of October, we saw a significant bounce to the upside in a move that topped above the 8.564 and also completed the formation of these Deriv count 1. And having picked in the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a pullback in the formation of these wave 2. Was minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, and that gave me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the 618, and that is between the 5.512 and the 3.605, the area that I have marked on the charts using this red target area, an area that we are yet to fully maximize. And I believe that the moment you fully maximize the red target area, get a low in place in the formation of this F2, then BGB should easily give us a bounce to the upside in the formation of this Deriv count 3. We also need to have in mind that since we have not yet fully maximized these red target area, there are high chances that we are going to see one more new low in the formation of this F2, and in case of any short-term bounces, then that could be much of a corrective structure, because in the formation of these F2 we also expect to see an ABC corrective structure also playing out. So in case of any bounce, we need to be very careful, because that could turn out to be a bounce in the formation of these FB before we can see one more new low in the formation of these FC. And if that is the case, then using the Fibonacci's, we should be able to identify key areas of resistances within which we can get rejected before we start a breakdown move in the formation of these FC. And that can be done by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of this wave A to the low of this wave A, and I get a minimum target area for that wave B between the fib level 0.78 and the fib level 0.5, and that is between the 7.8 and the $7.017, the area that I have marked here on the charts. So in case of any bounces to the upside and maybe we get rejected within this area over here, then I will be expecting further pullbacks in the formation of this FC. But if by any chance we break to the upper side of this area over here, then that will be suggesting a more bullish case scenario where we can continue pushing higher. So that is all I'm expecting here on the BGB chart for the next coming hours and days, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.